Guys, this is my 2008 Honda Odyssey with 365,000 miles on it. I was getting this, I forgot the code, but the code is about some large leak in the evaporator system. So what we're going to do is go ahead and change this purge valve out real quick. Got some pliers, a socket, hose, remover pliers, and I think they're 10 millimeters, so I got a couple 10 millimeters with extension. And guys, I think that's all we need. So let's go ahead and change this out. The first thing I want to do is remove the sensor here. On the back, I'm grabbing this clip, pushing it back, getting this out of the way. Let's go ahead and try to remove some hoses. Let's try to get this bottom hose out the way, guys. That bottom clamp I'm trying to lift up, and then hopefully I brought the right size hose clamps, and then I'm just popping this up here. Okay. If you want, I can remove this hose here, and I can just get this out the way. So we'll get this out the way here, and then on the bottom there is another hose, but that looks like that's pretty hard to get to right now. So let's go ahead and try to remove. See if we can just go ahead and try to remove this first using a small extension. There's a nut there. I wonder if I should be using that quarter socket. Wow, I think I brought the wrong tools, guys. That kind of sucks, right? I really think I brought the wrong tools. What did I use the last time to remove this? Oh, maybe not. Maybe we may be able to get this, guys. Oh, that's gonna suck if I brought the wrong tools with me. What does this go to? This, maybe we can get a little bit more clearance by removing this hose out the way. Let's see if I can get a little bit more clearance. So I'm going to take this hose that goes to the air intake and try to jam this away. Come on, baby. Where are we going? Okay, maybe. Okay, that's just clamping. Jam this away. Be careful that you don't break it. Okay. Okay, that's a little bit more. Alright, maybe that will give us a little bit more clearance. And now, let's see if that gave us the clearance it did to get that bottom bolt. It's dark, I can't see it. Okay, I think I broke it loose. 10 millimeter on the bottom. Removing this hose just to give us a little bit more clearance. Guys, be careful. You don't want to drop this bolt. Oh, we don't want to drop this bolt. Don't want to drop this bolt. Take your time. Take your time so you won't drop this bolt. Oh, I don't want to drop this bolt. I'm trying to take my time. There you go. And then we can remove this top bolt out the way. Come on. Guys, after you change a sensor, don't reset the codes, because if it's fixed, the computer will go through its diagnostic test or whatever the computer has to do. And if it's fixed, that code should go away on its own. So don't go erasing codes. Let the codes clear by themselves. So that bottom hose, I'm just pushing that clip down and get this. Come on, baby, twist off, twist. Okay, we got it off. Let's get the new one on. Let's get the new one on. Yeah, take this and slide it up, guys. Slide this hose up here, and let's see if we can grab this clamp and move it up to here. It looked like it was going. Then I'm going to grab a bolt. I'm going to start it where it needs to be. I'm going to look at the bolt on the other side so I can get it in its hole, and I'm going to hand tighten that up. Looking for that mosquito. Make sure it's not biting me. I hate giving up blood to mosquitoes just because I get bumps and those things itch. And get that top bolt. Take your time so you don't drop bolts. I don't have a flashlight, nothing, so if I drop a bolt, it's just going to be bad. Frustrating. Now these bolts do not have to be tight. Don't have to be tight. Just twist once you feel like it's seated. Once you feel like it's seated, actually, you can just use our hand to get it almost tight, so we can hand tighten it first with the short socket. Then we come in, guys. If you have a Honda, I love working on Honda Odysseys. If you're in the Tampa Bay area, if you have a Honda Odyssey, I would love to help you out. We're not getting it tight, just like not too tight. Let's verify this hose is there, guys, and then so you won't forget. Oh man, this can break easily. If you have to, I know, yeah, spit is bad. I don't think it's not, but if you put a little spit on there, guys, you don't want to break that hose. It broke on me before, and I got a new one on Amazon. But a little spit will do. This right here, open this up. There you go. It's in there. And let's not forget our connector. Let's not forget. I'll put that connector. I'll make it click. And then our top hose here. Yep. Get that in on the bottom. And get the top one in. Yeah. And then I'll grab. See how these are curved? Real nice. Get this down back in there. I'm gonna do it like this and push this down there real nice and get this top hose there. Guys, was it this easy? It can't be that easy. Was it this easy? It can't be that easy, guys. We are done. We are done. We're done. So it's how you change the purge valve on the Honda Odyssey. It's probably going to be in the same place for all Honda Odysseys with the 6-cylinder engine. I can't imagine it being in a different spot, but that is the purge valve for you. We are done. Hopefully I got some good video for you guys and ladies. That's that purge valve right there. And we're out of here.